Hello everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have something exciting to share with you, the Lenovo 2023 Newest IdeaPad 3 laptop. In this video, we'll dive into the specifications and features of this laptop and help you decide if it's the right choice for you. So, let's get started. First, let's talk about the design. The Lenovo IdeaPad 3 laptop features a sleek and stylish look, perfect for both work and play. Its 14-inch FHD display delivers crisp visuals and vibrant colors, making it great for multimedia consumption and productivity tasks. Now, let's move on to performance. Powered by the Intel Core i5-1135G7 processor, this laptop offers smooth multitasking and snappy responsiveness. With 20 GB of RAM, you can run multiple applications simultaneously without any lag. And thanks to the 1 TB SSD storage, you'll have ample space to store all your files, documents, and multimedia. Gaming and graphics enthusiasts will appreciate the Intel Iris X graphics, providing impressive visuals and smooth gameplay. Whether you're playing the latest games or editing videos, the Lenovo IdeaPad 3 has got you covered. Let's not forget about connectivity. With Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.0, you'll experience fast and stable internet connections and seamless pairing with your peripherals. And here's an exciting bonus, the Lenovo IdeaPad 3 comes bundled with the JAWFOAL accessory, which enhances your overall user experience. The JAWFOAL accessory is a fantastic addition to this laptop. It's a valuable addition to an already impressive laptop. To wrap it up, the Lenovo 2023 Newest IdeaPad 3 laptop offers a brilliant combination of performance, connectivity, and aesthetics. Whether you're a student, professional, or tech enthusiast, this laptop is worth considering. So, if you're in the market for a reliable and powerful laptop, look no further. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews and updates.